The plan is to fly from Gabon in Africa to Ecuador in South America. The mode of transport? A jumbo jet. All rather mundane? No, we will be flying our jumbo jet backwards. We are sitting in space 150 miles above the North Pole. To our left is a beam of light from the sun. We are going to watch a jumbo jet fly from Gabon in Africa to Ecuador in South America. Gabon is marked with a yellow tab, Ecuador with a blue tab. The distance from Gabon to Ecuador is 6,000 miles. A jumbo cruises at 500 miles per hour. Therefore, the flight time will be 12 hours. At the moment, it is midnight in Gabon and 6 p.m. in Ecuador. The jumbo jet will take off from Gabon at 6 o'clock in the morning. Let's start the world turning, shall we? It is now 3 a.m. in Gabon, and the passengers have arrived at Libreville Airport, ready for their flight at 6. It is now 6 a.m. in Gabon, and our jumbo is thundering down the runway. The jumbo has now been flying for 6 hours and is halfway between Gabon and Ecuador. Forgive me, but was that jumbo flying backwards? Did you see that? We even landed backwards. Am I right, Amy?